It's late in the evening. She wonders what clothes to wear. Puts on her makeup, brushes her long blonde hair. Then she asks me, do I look alright? I said, my darling, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party, everyone just turns to see this wonderful lady walking around with me. Then she asked me, do I look alright? I said, my darling, you look wonderful tonight. You look wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes and the wonder of it all. You just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got a aching head. She asked for my car keys, she tucks me up in bed.